Hello, my name is Paulo and I am from Lesotho, Southern Africa, but I'm currently staying in the state of Assam in India. I want to take you guys through the experience that I had with Mind Mastery community on DMIT and fingerprint analysis. A few weeks ago, I had a training with Mind Mastery community on DMIT and fingerprint analysis. So they took me through the ins and outs of what DMIT is, how it works, and how I could use it to help people, identify their capabilities or their potentialities, so that they could make the right career choices. So for someone who was his first time, like myself, with DMIT, I thought Mind Mastery community were the best people because of the patience that they showed and the clarity that they showed as they explained what DMIT is and how it works. So if you're out there and looking for the understanding and the knowledge of DMIT, I think you should check them out. Mind Mastery community, they are so incredible, they are wonderful, and they will take you through every step with patience and with love. So just check them out. You won't be disappointed.